Just got a Chipotle here, local in Richmond, Kentucky. So I wanted to come try it. However, I forgot I'm running out of gas. And this line is forever long. So fingers crossed we make it through. I didn't know you couldn't order in the drive-thru. So sat in that line for 15 minutes for no reason. So let's go in. Pinto beans, please. Is the Chipotle chicken really spicy? Okay. I'll just do regular chicken. With the peppers. Cheese, please. Yes, please. Regular cheese, sour cream, and lettuce. We're home, so let's try it. Kind of nervous, but kind of excited because we have a, what's it called? It's not Chipotle. What is it called? It's called Qdoba. I couldn't think of what it was called. But when I tried Qdoba, I did not like it. So here's what it looks like. They had no chips. How does Chipotle not have chips? But whatever. Oh. Please don't be nasty. Smells really good. Let's see. It's not bad. Something in there is spicy. Is it the queso? I really wanted to try the Chipotle chicken, but I don't like spicy stuff, and I was scared it's going to be too spicy. This has a little kick, so, but it's good. Would I go back for it? I don't know. Maybe. Something in there is hot. What is it? Is the queso spicy? Ooh. I'd probably give it like a 6.5 out of 10. Yeah. I love you. Bye.